Ready for back to school, and my high schoolers cannot live without these post-it note page markers. As you can see, we put tons on hand. What do I love about them? One, these are reusable pads. They are about the size of your finger for reference, and my kids use them to annotate their books. So they are allowed to brighten some and not others, but you can see here when they're not allowed to, they have different color coding systems. This is for connections. This is for a surprise. They go in, they stay put, they can readjust them and move them if they want. But when they need to go to class and find something really quickly, it's just such an easy way for them to find their annotations. Sometimes when they need a highlighter for a quote, they'll use these. It's just such a very simple but effective tool for being able to quickly identify content in these, really hefty Hamlet style books. You get 10 different colors. They are about 2 inches by ½ inch, but they stick so well and they're so easy to write on. So love that they can keep these little tiny pads with them wherever they go. They stick and stay put, and then they are so easy to write on. Put your annotation. Just had no issue with them, working really well for all of my high school kids. Overall, I just find them very colorful, very practical, easy and gentle on books, but effective enough to use that great post-it note technology to stay put right when you need them. We stock up every year. These are an absolute no-brainer.